Most people research the AI space manually. You open 10 tabs, check X, read a few articles, try to make sense of the noise, and then you do it all over again the next day. That is a habit that eats 2 to 3 hours of your day. I built something different to handle this. It's a Hermes agent profile called Hermes Research Agent, an automated system designed to filter out that noise and deliver only the high-value signals directly to you. Instead of a standard chatbot that sits idle until prompted, this is an autonomous agent. It independently executes a complex, scheduled workflow in the background while you work on other things. Every morning at 09 a.m., the system automatically scans AI news, new model releases, new agent frameworks, latest archive papers, X and hacker news feeds. It evaluates every single signal and assigns it a score from 1 to 5, immediately filtering out anything that scores below a 3. The result is a clean, readable digest delivered straight to your Telegram. You get a tightly formatted table of the top-tier intelligence, and the rest is quietly archived to an Obsidian vault for your reference. Replacing manual habits with an automated system centralizes the scanning process. You see the filtered results every morning without having to spend your time looking for them. Before we install anything, we need to gather 5 foundational pieces. Getting these credentials set up first makes the installation seamless. First, set up Nous Portal as your model provider. Log in and confirm your account status has a positive balance loaded. Do not use free tier models for this. Relying on free tiers results in rate limits and queue latency, which will inevitably break the scheduled background tasks we are going to set up. Instead, select deepseek/deepseek v4-flash as your main model. At 10 cents per million input tokens, it is highly cost-efficient for the daily background reasoning this agent performs. Next, open Telegram. Search for @botfather to generate a new bot token, and then use @userinfobot to retrieve your personal user ID number. You also need a place to store the raw data. Locate the exact local file path on your hard drive to your Obsidian Vault folder and copy it. Finally, go to Finnhub.io to acquire a free API key. The agent needs this to track real-time prices for the 9 specific financial assets. Once these 5 values are secured, the setup moves from preparation to the deployment of the localized infrastructure. With those credentials ready, check your software. You need Node.js installed, along with Hermes Desktop version 0.16.0 or higher. Open Hermes Desktop. We're going to pull the official agent profile directly from the GitHub repository using a single terminal command, Hermes profile install, followed by the repository URL. This command downloads exactly 14 files. It sets up the core identity file, the soul, and connects it to 3 functional research skills, 2 MCP servers, and 3 scheduling definitions. Navigate to your new profile folder. Find the .env.example file, duplicate it, rename the copy to just .env, and paste in the 5 credentials we collected earlier. Never commit this .env file to a public repository like GitHub. Your credentials must stay local. Keeping these credentials entirely local ensures total operational privacy and prevents anyone else from draining your API balances. Now we need to explicitly tell the Hermes agent exactly where to deliver its daily intelligence reports. Open your newly created Telegram bot on your phone or desktop and send the exact message /set_home. The bot will reply with a green checkmark to confirm the link. The final step is the scheduler. We use what's called a cron job, which acts as an invisible heartbeat, waking the system up at specific intervals to perform its tasks without human intervention. Inside the Hermes desktop interface, open your Hermes Research Agent profile and navigate to the cron job section. The Argus morning scan runs daily at 0900 local time. Below that are the market scan and polymarket scan. These trigger every Monday to pull real-time asset pricing and macro prediction markets. Enable the ones you want. Enabling these triggers starts the automated cycle. From this point on, the software runs its scheduled tasks independently. The setup is officially complete. You will notice there is no Run button to click. The system is now simply waiting for its next scheduled tick. Tomorrow morning at precisely 9 a.m., your phone will buzz with your first curated digest. Or if nothing meets the score threshold, it sends a single line, "No signal today." This entire build is based on a simple philosophy. Systems should be configured once and reused forever to handle invisible background labor. The ultimate value of AI is not in poking a chatbot when you are curious. It is in the systematic delegation of labor that actually reclaims